Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do an elbow stand. Just like a handstand, there are different variations. So the first elbow stand variation is a straight, a split, a double stag, a single stag, an arched, and a bent arched elbow stand. For the preparation, it would be nice to have a handstand for your elbow stand. To get into the elbow stand, it's basically just like in a handstand, except you are going to be on your knees. So when you do this, you're going to lean forward and you are going to put your elbows on the ground, and then you are going to kick up just like in a handstand. If you are having trouble balancing, this drill is for you. So if you are leaning too far forward, you're going to press down on your palms to transfer weight onto your elbows. If you're leaning too back, press on your elbows to transfer weight onto your palms. If you are too scared of falling forward in your elbow stand, go ahead and do an elbow stand against the wall. Now do your elbow stand against the wall and try to lightly get your feet away and try to balance. You can also do it the other way. Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video. I hope you learned your elbow stand, and if you did, subscribe, like the video, turn on the post notifications, and make sure to stay beyond the limits.